Good morning, trader. Welcome to Stock Navigators private trading room. Today is October 3rd, 2019, and the first 15 minutes here before the market open, I'm going to analyze all the indices to see where they go. And after that, the next 45 minutes, we will go more into day trading and swing trading and look at a bunch of stock to see what they are doing right now. So first of all, look at the market. The last couple of days, you can see very clearly the market when they hit to the top here and they run out of gas and then they pull back down. So right now, look at the S&P 500. We are on the way down since yesterday, but right now they are sit right at the support level here. So today it's early in the morning. Actually, the market is very low volume. So this is a big two down day. And then right now they have a dozy here, so we want to see what a market they're going to do for today. They will tell you what direction they're going to head to. Either they will hold up here and rebound, or they will break this one here and go down further. Okay, but in the short term, if you look at the right now, the market it have been put it down to this level. They come back up. Okay, so seem like we are in the final move here. Okay, so if they can get jack sideways here and either this one is done and then okay, they will break this one up and go up higher, or they will break this level and go down further, so that they can complete the this way down here. Okay, so that's why we want to see when they're going to stop. So this is you see it's the sideways choppy, and then we will see what is the next direction they're going to do here. Okay, if they stabilize in somewhere around here, and then we need to see the confirmation of the uptrend. Okay, in order to show that the market is going to rebound, and then we will analyze from there to see where they're going to stop, and then continue to go lower, or they will continue to go higher according to the daily chart. Okay. So that's what you have looking for the overall market on SP 500 for now, and it's just similar to the Russell 2000. The Russell 2000 they have a bigger wing in terms of a correction. Okay, so you can see that they hit the top. Okay, they run up, they hit the top, and now they're in the sideways. So you can see that. Okay, so look like bouncing back and forward here until they stop going lower, and then they can hold it up, and then they can revert. Okay, so we have, and in the shorter time frame, you can see that they are on the way down. So technically, it's still downtrend. If I look at the chart here, right, using Dow theory, you can see clearly that it's still downtrend. So technically, we still have to stick with the downtrend, okay, until they prove to be reversed, and then and that we will tell that they try to buy back up. Right now, everything is heading south. Okay, so technically we do bear. Okay, so and over here we do have room too. So unless they stop here and revert. Okay, so in the short term, if they not turn around, the bigger guy here to go down. Okay, so you have to trade direction of the trend, but sometimes in the final move here, the risk is very high. Okay, to short the market right now. Okay, yesterday the whole up the drop, but anytime any new, they can revert and then push it higher. So if you go short, so you make sure your top loss is on low level. Depend where you're at. Let's say you short here, if you break here, and then you short, and definitely your top loss has to be over here to protect it. Okay, just in case they go back and go higher. Okay, so the next one is the Dow. The Dow is same thing. The Dow to put back here. Okay, so this is the bearish candle. It is a doji. So we want to see what the market doing today. Okay, or tomorrow, so we can give it clear direction. If the bearish candle come in tomorrow, then that will be the problem. But if they hold it up and tomorrow the bullet, okay, candle coming in, they can go back and rebound. Okay, same thing here. We are in the uh, look like we're over here, but in order to market to do in a downtrend, they have to complete the 5 way. Okay, so if they go back here and then they come back down, and that will be a first type of problem because the support on the down to up into this level here. So you have to be careful for all the stuff that you own right now to see the be able to hold up and revert, or we have some correction here because last year October is the worst month. Remember, so that's why we have to be careful. All right, and then the NQ is very similar. You can see that they break the trend line. So right now they try to go back, test it. If they cannot hold it, they will continue to go lower. In the short term, that you can see that the Nasdaq is same thing, like the ES and the Dow. Okay, they pull back down here, they pull back up here. Okay, so if they break this one here, they will go back higher for number four, or they will break here and then go down here to finish. Okay, the way number three down. Okay, so let's see what direction they want to do first. Okay, and for the oil is still heading south. Like I said before, the oil has been trouble between the sell zone and buy zone here. So let's see how far they will come down. But right now, look at the daily chart, it's still bear. Okay, and even shorter term, it's still bear. Okay, it's no sign of return yet, but we are in the final move here. Let's see what they want to do. Okay, so uh, but if you short up here, that's the bad. But if you short here, the risk is very high too. Okay, and that thing is the natural gas. You can see that natural gas is on a bigger time frame. The natural gas is still in the downside. Okay, right now with everything is bear. Okay, so let's see how far it goes to the support area here. Okay, and look at the short term. Everything is still down. Okay, so with no sign of return yet. So technically, it's still bear. Okay, and for the gold is interesting. The gold they go back here, they pull back down here, they come back up here. So right now, the situation for the gold is in the short term, the gold come back here, and now look like they uh, okay. So if they top here, if the market going down, this will be a the end of correction on way number four here, and then they will break out and go higher to finish one more final move. But if they had to bear it, so this one it can be a first way down too, so continue to go lower. Okay, because last time they have not reached to this area yet, and then they bounce back up. So right now the shorter term, you can see that the market put it back here. Okay, so right now they finished the first move. So definitely, I think that they will, if they break out here, they will continue to go higher. But if they break below this white line here, they will get back and test the support, the retrade area here. Okay, so monitor to see what direction depend on the market. The market go higher, it want to pull back down. The market go lower, then it want to back out and go higher. Okay, and then for the bond is they hit right into the resistance area here. Okay, so they drop from the top. Right now they retrade back right into the retrade area here. So if they run out of gas here, okay, and then they see the gap down to come back to fill up the gap. And if they stop right here, they can go down, okay, and test it first before we can see it, what they're going to do next. Okay, for the Bitcoin, they put the first, they retrade back into this area here. Okay, so right now the question is, they look like it's the first move up, and look like they try to do the retrade to this area here. Okay, before they can wreck the downtrend line and go higher. And for the euro to get stuck in this downtrend line. It's still there, but yesterday we told you that from here they will try to push it back up and test the upper bound here in the short term. And then I think that this is the final, so I probably would have one more, okay, until they be able to hold it up and then show you, okay, the trend reversal. Other than that, you still in the bear side, okay, and I think lastly, I think that's all we have for all the indices. So right now the market is in the final move in the short term here. So we're looking for the rebound back to retrade, okay? And then let's see what the market want to do after that, okay? So that will tell you either they finish this one and then they bow back first, and then they continue to go lower, or they will revert and go up, tap the sell zone again. All right, so that's what we have for you today for all the indices. And good luck to everyone. And if you are interested to our analysis, okay, please subscribe to our YouTube channel or our Facebook page. And every time we have a new stuff, we will post it for you so that you can get some help in terms of guide you for the trading. Okay, good luck to everyone.